Dear friends, I am Dr. Bharat Parab discussing the topic parallel lines and a transversal. Consider the following group of lines, non-parallel lines. See here M, N and L. Okay. Line M and N are two lines and line L, this is one, line L intersect the two lines at point P and Q respectively. This gives rise to 8 different angles named as given below. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this angle 1, 2, 7 and 8 are exterior angles. These are called exterior angles, and 3, 4, 5, 6 here are called as interior angles. Okay. So now we are continuing with the same figure, and we have different names for the pairs of angles. Okay. So A, corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles? 1 and 5. These two are the corresponding angles, 1 and 5. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Very easy to remember. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. See, one internal, one exterior. Okay. And 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Now B, alternate interior angles. Name itself gives much more information. Alternate interior angles. See, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. These are interior angles, and 4 and 6 are the alternate angles. Okay. And 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Alternate exterior angles. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. See, alternate and exterior. Okay. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Got it? And the interior angles on the same side of transversal. See, interior angles and same side of transversal. So it is very easy. 4 and 5 is one pair, and 3 and 6 is another pair. Okay. So remember this. So now we are extending this discussion for the parallel lines. Okay. And try to give some names to the pairs of these angles. Look at this. These are two parallel lines, and this is a transversal L. So D, we have seen this earlier, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, which are these? These are the pairs 4 and 5, 3 and 6. Okay, now here for star, these are also called as consecutive interior angles or allied angles or co-interior angles. This is one. Okay, and another is for alternate angles. Mathematicians have decided to use term or word alternate angles for alternate interior angles. That means when we call alternate angles, that means alternate interior angles. Okay, 4 and 6 like that. Okay, remember this. So after nomenclature, we will see the properties and relations between these pairs of angles. So this is the same figure. Let us see the relations between the corresponding angles. Okay. 1 is equal to 5. Okay. 2 is equal to 6. 4 is equal to 8. Remember this. And 3 is equal to 7. Okay. So this gives a rise to corresponding angles axiom, which states as if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. Remember, pair of corresponding angles. Okay. Now let us discuss the converse of the above axiom. Okay. Now the converse of the above axiom is if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then two lines are parallel to each other. Earlier it was if two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. Okay, this is converse. So let us check whether the above statement is true. Okay, so see here, draw a line AD as shown and mark point B and C on it. Draw the rays from the point B and C, such that ABQ, that is this angle, is equal to BCR. So this is equal to this. Okay. Then produce QB and RC. then produce this. So it is here QB produced till P and RC produced till S. Okay. Then produce QB and RC further to form two lines as this. Okay. So now observe that the lines QP and RS, QP and RS are parallel lines. Okay. Hence, the converse of the above given axiom is true. That is, this is true. Okay. Above axiom can be used to find the relation between alternate interior angles when a transversal intersect two parallel lines. Means these are alternate interior angles, and we will find the relation between these two angles, okay, or pair of angles using this axiom. Now look at this. Transversal PS intersect a line AB and CD at Q and R respectively. So in this, angle PQA is equal to angle QRC. This is equal to this. Okay, corresponding angle axiom. Okay, we know this. But PQA is equal to BQR. Why? Opposite angles. Okay. So if PQ is this and PQ is again this, then these two are equal. So angle BQR, this one, is equal to QRC. Okay, alternate interior angles, these are equal. This is the proof. Similarly, the green one, AQR equals QRD. Okay, so this statement can be given as theorem, and we are giving it on the next slide. Okay, theorem: if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles, pair of alternate interior angles means this is one pair, this is another pair, okay, is equal. Let us check whether the above statement is true. AB and CD are two lines. Okay. Transversal PS intersects AB and CD at Q and R respectively in such a way that angle BQR, this pink one, equals angle QRC, another pink one. Okay. Is AB parallel to CD? We have to prove. Okay. Now proof. Angle BQR is equal to angle PQA. Why? Opposite angles. But angle BQR is equal to QRC, alternate interior angles, and that is given. Okay. So this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Therefore, this is equal to this. Very simple. Now, therefore, PQA is equal to QRC. Okay, and these are corresponding angles. So, by corresponding angles axiom, we can say AB is parallel to CD. Very simple. Okay. Now let us state all these in the form of theorem. First theorem: if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, pair of this is one pair and this is another pair, if these are equal, okay, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Second one: if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. It's talking about a pair. Okay, so this is one pair and this is another pair. this one pair is supplementary and this another pair is also supplementary. Okay, that is addition of these two angles is 180. Okay, and third one is converse of the second one. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Okay, so if these two angles are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so this is converse of this. Okay, got it. So moving ahead, this is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you have any difficulty in this topic of pairs of angles, that is subtitle parallel lines and transversal, let me know through comment section and I shall solve it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanking you. Good luck.